Rotary Club of Cochin Uptown. We are a proud bunch of Rotarians in a club that is bubbling with talent and enthusiasm. Our club has members from almost all walks of life, from builders, architects to actors and healthcare professionals. Our Charter Day celebration was held on 14th June 2011. Ours was the first charter celebrations in the district, and we kicked off the new Rotary year in grand style. Not many knew that the function was organized in just 5 days' time, but despite the short notice, we put up an excellent performance. Uptowners had a fabulous day out at the D Island, courtesy Rotarian Kiran. Dressed in traditional attire, Uptown members and aunts celebrated Onam at Michael's Land. Uptown had 6 family meetings last year. 2 of these meetings were held at the residence of Rotarians hosted by Rotarian Viju and Rotarian Ashokan. As a new club, we are proud to put on record that we have regularly conducted our weekly meetings. Uptown also participated in a joint meeting hosted by our parent club, Rotary Club of Cochin Harbour. In addition, we've had wonderful musical evenings by our own members during most of the regular meetings. Uptown's bulletin, What's Up, is published periodically. In tune with the district's polio awareness program, we dedicated one issue on polio awareness. Uptown's strength was its community service activities. We have conducted 5 comprehensive eye camps. Uptown also conducted a mega multi-speciality camp at SL Puram. We also screen patients for diabetes and hypertension. In our eye camps alone, we have evaluated more than 1,000 patients. 80 patients underwent surgery free of cost. This included retinal surgeries as well. We have given free spectacles to 145 needy patients. These camps were conducted in association with Ranjini Eye Hospital, Cochin Eye Foundation and National Rural Health Mission. Uptown supported the education of a deserving student. All these projects were possible thanks to a generous donation by Rotarian Kiran. The members visited the orphanage at Pullepudi in November 2010 and provided sumptuous meal for the inmates. Rotarian Dr. Biju Raju donated a state-of-the-art eye operation theatre which was built by Rotarians of Cochin Uptown for the community services of the club. Uptown, in association with the Neonatology Department of Medical College Kolancheri, is launching its flagship project, the Retinopathy of Prematurity Screening Program. We had very informative talks by our own members and also by guest speakers. We honored Sri Balakrishnan CR, former national footballer and coach, for his dedication and contribution to the improvements of the standards of the game. He was so moved by this award that in his acceptance speech he said, "Today I am really happy. This is the first time in my career recognition like this has come my way. I thank the President Vishnu and his members in Uptown and wish them all the best in the future." Our Interact Club at the ACS School Kalur has been very active and have been meeting regularly since its inception. Uptown's Raila was a grand success. We had speakers from our sister clubs as well as our own Rotarians and aunts participated in the Raila. It was a useful exercise for the members of the Interact Club. Today was our governor's visit and it was a busy day. The governor inaugurated the Rotary Uptown state-of-the-art eye operation theatre for the community eye services. The First Lady inaugurated the Visual Stimulation and Mobility Center of Cochin Uptown in association with Ranjini Eye Hospital and Adarsh Charitable Trust. Then we visited the orphanage at Kakanad where we interacted with the inmates, planted few saplings, and also served lunch for the inmates. Finally, we had our first club assembly with the governor. Uptowners would like to place on record our heartfelt thanks to our GSR, Rotarian Mohan Kumar, and the members of our parent club Cochin Harbour for all the help and support. We'd also like to express our gratitude to our Assistant Governor, Rotarian Cherian Peter, and immediate past District Governor, Captain K.K. Matthews, for believing in our abilities and to have stuck with us through thick and thin. We are very sure that Rotary Club of Cochin Uptown will always strive to provide service to others, promote high ethical standards, and advance goodwill and peace through Rotary's fellowship of business, professional, and community leaders.